So, good morning, everyone. I am Vijeta Panjwani. I am here as one of the representatives of Prayas Club. Now, what is Prayas Club? Prayas Club is basically a club of people from psychology department who are trying to make you focus on something that we generally tend to ignore, but something that is really important: the health of our mind, our mental health. And for maintaining a good mental health, one of the very important steps is that throughout the entire day, we remain energetic, we remain happy, we don't let ourselves feel low and despondent. So, for feeling that energy throughout the day, time management is really, really important. So, while we are beginning with these peer educator sessions, what is peer education? Peer education is basically like I am a student like all of you. So, I am just here to talk to all of you, discuss with all of you. Peer is someone who's of the same age group, who's a friend. And when they are trying to educate through something, then it's called peer education. So, when we are beginning with these sessions, we are first talking about time management. Generally, when you attend time management sessions, if I'm not wrong, please state if I'm right or wrong here. We generally tend get to hear that why is time management important? Am I right? You can type in the chat box or speak. So today we are going to talk about something different. Yes, I see these answers here. So today I'm going to talk about something different. It's basically how to manage time through easy steps. So, first of all, during these online classes, one major issue of time management that we all are facing is that we wake up late, we are not disciplined, we are not in uniforms, we are not with the correct hair type. So, we are not disciplined basically. So, first thing before starting the session that we all have to take care is that from today onwards, we are going to manage our time for our classes. We have to wake up early on time. It's a normal school. It's just behind the screen. It's a normal school. We have to be in uniform so that we are disciplined. We do not get distracted by fancy clothes, fancy hairstyles, fancy nails. So that we have to take care of. And if you all promise me that from today onwards you're going to take care of that discipline, then I'll begin with the session. So, do you all promise me that? Can I hear a yes or a no? That's great. You guys are very responsive. So, today, let's begin with it. So, for time management, we all know that we have to plan out, we have to be away from our distractions, we have to finish everything that we take up, and in between, we have to take these Kit Kat breaks. But how to do that effectively is what we are going to talk today. So, just like the traffic signal has three colors, red, yellow, and green, to simply tell us when to stop, when to drive, when to speed up, here also we are going to take up a three-step list. Now, what is this three-step list? You can all make note of it if you have your pens and papers around you. So, this is stop, plan well, which is the red color, accelerate and prioritize, the yellow color, and the green color is very similar to the traffic signal, get set and go ahead. Now, what am I trying to say with these colors is what we are going to focus on now. So, first, like I talked about, stop, plan well. What do you mean by planning in time management? It is basically making a to do list. To do list is a very simple list to make. It is basically a list of all the tasks that you have to do in a day. कोई भी काम है that you have to complete in a day, just note it down. Just a rough draft कि ये काम करने जरूरी है दिन में. For this, you can take help of your teachers, of your parents. They can guide you better that what all tasks you need to complete in one day. And while making a to do list, one error that we all commit is that we make a very long to do list, assuming that we will complete all huge tasks in one day only. But we all know we have just 24 hours. सब काम तो एक साथ नहीं हो सकते हैं. इसीलिए we have to take care of the fact that this to do list is of a small size, of a manageable size. It has tasks, number of tasks are less so that you can complete in a day. So while making a rough draft of these tasks, take care of these things. Please make sure you're noting down these points because these are easy steps, and if you try to follow them, you'll be able to manage your time. So this was a to-do list. And when you have made the to-do list, we come to the yellow color of the three-step list. That is prioritizing. Now, what does prioritizing mean? Prioritizing is basically sequencing your task. जो हमने रफ ड्राफ्ट बनाया, हमने उस रफ ड्राफ्ट के काम देखे, and then we start to focus on the thing that which task is more important, which task is less important. तो इम्पोर्टेंस के हिसाब से जो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट काम है, वी विल गिव दैट द नंबर वन, एंड देन इवेंचुअली like this, if a task is less important, number two, even less important, number three, and the one which is least important, we will give that the last number. So इस हिसाब से we will prioritize, and the first thing we are going to do is the first task in the prioritized list, the task that is most important. If we work as per this, our work will be completed on time because we are working as per our priorities, and we will also not waste our time. So that will help a lot. Now, what is this prioritized list going to do? It is going to give you a structure. It is going to give you a timetable kind of a thing, that when you have to take up which thing. Here, one thing that you should take care of is that you have to respect deadlines. If you have given 1 hour to one assignment, then you will give that complete hour to that assignment. Don't drag it to the other hour. And if you complete it before 1 hour, give yourself a 10 minutes break, then move on to the next task. Don't change your priorities in between this. Just respect your deadlines here. And here also, your parents and teachers can help you out to realize which task is more important in that day. So this is the yellow color. Now that we have our list ready and we have prioritized it, the next step is making it happen. Something that we all become lazy at. हम प्लान कर लेते हैं, टाइम टेबल बना लेते हैं, पर फिर जब करने की बारी आती है तो हम सब लेजी हो जाते हैं. We don't have to be lazy here. We have to follow simple steps to make it happen. कैसे करेंगे? These are 4 simple steps that we will discuss about in detail. You can make a note of these. Number 1, redesign your day. Redesign कैसे करेंगे? We'll give it a proper routine. A desired routine where we do not become lethargic, where we follow our timelines and where we respect deadlines, where we are not multitasking. एक टाइम पे एक काम जो लिखा हुआ है लिस्ट में वही करेंगे, so that we have our complete attention, which is the next point. Attention is important for all the tasks. And the last thing, avoid procrastination. Now, any idea what is procrastination? Vanshika, I think, is raising her hand. You can type in the chat box or you can unmute. Okay, procrastination is not discriminate. Yes.
To delay.
Yes, procrastination is basically to delay. So we don't have to delay our task. Very nice. Good vocabulary. So first of all, like we talked about this thing, we have to redesign our day. So how do we redesign our day? बहुत fancy phrase है, पर कैसे करें? So 4 simple steps. Start early. We know we are in a school and it is almost a normal school. So we have to wake up like we used to wake up for our normal school 1 hour before the school, 2 hours before the school. Get ready, be in that discipline so that we have a habit of studying. So that we are not lazy throughout the day कि अभी बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे. We don't have to keep that. So start early, study in short periods. Our attention span is very short. So study in short periods, give yourselves break after that. Keep your leisure time activities, give time to food, relax and eat. Please do not do things like TV chala liya, YouTube chala liya while you are eating food, because that diverts attention, that doesn't let your mind relax. So give yourself time of food, and when you take breaks, do useful things like exercising, talking to family, roaming around, but not phone and TV, because again, that will make your mind use its abilities. It will not let your mind relax. So leisure time mein we will do something else. So the next step is not multitasking. Our generation has this bad habit of doing everything together. We'll take up three tasks and we'll complete those three tasks together, but later we realize that not even one of them is completed effectively. So, one task at a time, how to do it? That if you work according to your prioritized list, everything will be sorted. When you know you have kept time for everything in a day, you won't feel like taking up all the tasks together. You will do one task at a time. So work according to it and do schedule a time for leisure. Do keep yourselves free in a day so that you know that you have some break time in the day. You don't need to put on your music, do your artwork along with your assignment, right? If you know you have kept time for that later on, so you won't do it with your work. So take care of that, keep your leisure time, and most importantly, say no to your distractions. Don't go for phone, TV, and work together. That is really distracting. That will not let your mind focus on anything. Then again, avoid procrastinating, avoid delaying. How to do that? Simple steps. First of all, stop lying to yourself that you have time. Because in 24 hours of a day, we have to eat, we have to sleep, we also have to do work, so we don't have time. When we get the work, we have to complete it then and there. We do not have to delay it to a later point of time. Then, if you have a huge work, break it into segments. When we know that we are working at a small segment at a time, so what we know is that छोटा सा काम है, boring नहीं लग रहा है, तो अब हम इस पे ध्यान दे पाएंगे. If we see a huge bundle of tasks together, we would already feel bored and tired. So break it into segments and start with the one that appeals you the most, right? Then moving on to the next. And then finally, we have to finish the task that we take up. So delaying is not a solution. And then the last and the most important thing is that you pay complete attention to whatever you are taking up. कैसे करेंगे आप? It is not easy to avoid distractions. As I told, I am also a student. I am also of your age group. I know distractions are very pleasing. Social media, YouTube is very, very pleasing. But how to avoid distractions? Simple steps. It is that ting tong, ding ding sound of the notification that is teasing us, that is distracting us. So simple steps. जब भी पढ़ने बैठे, कुछ भी काम करने बैठे, even when you're doing your leisure time activities, keep your devices in the other room. I know we are studying through devices these days, पर जो device use में नहीं है, keep it away. Mute your notifications and just don't look upon social media while working. That is the biggest distraction. Even for that matter, video games are a distraction. Then we all have this habit of decorating our study table. We all put indoor plants and then we put quotes, we put fancy pen stands on our study tables. But actually, we do it to make ourselves attract towards the study table. But actually, when we start studying on that fancy study table, सारा ध्यान distract हो जाता है, सारा ध्यान divert हो जाता है, and we are not able to study there. So we do not have to do that. We have to declutter. You can note down this word, declutter. Remove all the unnecessary things from your study corner, from your study table. Keep a fixed study corner, which is very important, and keep it simple so that you feel like studying there and that you don't get distracted to the artistic things kept around there. All right. And then very small things, set reminders while you're studying for your test. You'll be able to respect deadlines by that. Then make study entertaining for yourself. Now, how to do that? If I'm not wrong, your class teacher, ma'am, teaches you mathematics. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Uh, so,
Yes,
uh,
Aditya, maths.
so when you're studying maths on your own, self study जब कर रहे हो, what you can do is you can make jingles out of maths concepts. How to do that? One of our maths teachers, she used to teach us this. I don't know if you have if you have learned this or not. It's Pythagoras theorem. It is a concept, and you have studied it. So she taught us by making a rhyming out of it, by making a song out of it. So you can do that for yourself while you're self studying. Make songs out of your concept to memorize them better. While you're studying social science, you tend to visualize geographical concepts, you tend to visualize historical battles. So you can draw those visualizations on paper, and that is how you can make your studying entertaining for yourself, so that you don't get distracted, so that you're able to pay attention. And most important, जो हमने से किसी से नहीं हो पाता है, believe me, मुझसे भी नहीं हो पाता है ये mostly sitting idle. Our generation doesn't have a habit of sitting idle. खाली बैठना, relax करना is very important, so that your mind is at a point where it is absolutely relaxed and it is ready to take up the new task. If we'll keep it busy for the entire day, at some point of time, it will feel so tired that you won't feel like managing your time the next day. You would feel like sleeping all day. So give yourselves that relaxation time, and that is one of the most important things for managing time. And for today, I have all this, and I hope this is not the end of my session, but the beginning of your time management. So I hope it proves helpful. And now, for 1 or 2 minutes, I know you have a different class. I also have a different class. For around a minute, I'm open to any kind of questions you have.
Children, if you want to ask something, you can write your name in the chat box. You will be given a chance to ask your question, and plus you can write your views. How did you like this session in the chat box? And if you want to speak something, please kindly take the permission. You can unmute, you can speak, you can have a conversation with Vijeta. Okay, Darsh is saying you have explained very well.
Thank you so much, Anushka. That's great. If we get time ever, I would love to hear your self composed poem on science. And keep this habit of writing.
Mhm.
You can continue with it later also. It proves really helpful.
Okay,
Thank you
so
so much.
much good reviews of the children. I hope
Thank
children,
you.
Vijeta, thank you so much for coming to our class and delivering us a session on this. And I hope I know all the students will work on it, and definitely they are going to be benefited from it. Thank you so much for your valuable time, and
Thank
thank you
you,
so much
ma'am.
for guiding our children. I hope they will benefit from it a lot.
Yes, surely. You can also talk to me whenever you want to. So I hope there are no questions. Should I make an exit now?
Scan Tanshili.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
Vijeta, I think nobody has anything to ask. You have delivered it so well. Yes, you have explained it so well.
Thank
Even
you so
I
much.
feel that it was beneficial for me. Thank you so much, Vijeta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, children, how was the session? You liked it? Yes, I can see your
Yeah.
views here in the chat box. Yes, thank you so much, children. So can we come back to our maths class? And you can see how good points, the minute points the Vijeta has explained, which we tend to forget. हम लोग नहीं ध्यान देते हैं, भूल जाते हैं, है ना? जैसे उन्होंने एक चीज इतनी अच्छी बोली, वो मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी. She said that you should learn to sit idle. आपको खाली बैठना कि आपको दिन में you should take out some time to sit idle, and it actually works. It's very important. उस खाली टाइम में ना, when you're not thinking about anything, ये नहीं अब मैं खाली बैठ के ना इसके बारे में सोच लेता हूँ. Do not set anything in your mind. खाली बैठोगे, new things, new questions, new solutions to your problems will come. It will really help you. Very good. If अगर इसी एज में you will start working on it, you will be benefited from it a lot. So now can we come back to our math session? आ जाए हम अपने math session पे.
Yes.
I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you all are sitting ready stuff, children. Okay, let me join from my other device, and all those who are not
Ma'am,
sitting with their
the
math stuff, they can
ma'am
bring their
record
math stuff.
ma'am recording is
And
going on.
yes,
Ma'am recording is going on.
yes, that I do. Thank you so much, Kanika, for informing. Okay, children. Before starting today's math